Welcome to the King Edward Hotel, located in Stewart, British Columbia. We are excited to present this incredible property to you, showcasing the rich opportunities and benefits this area has to offer through its thriving mining industry and natural beauty. Built in the 1970s, the King Edward Hotel stands as a symbol of heritage and charm. It has been meticulously restored to its former glory, showcasing the beautiful Victorian architecture and preserving its historical significance. Our hotel offers a range of comfortable accommodations, from cozy single rooms to spacious suites, ensuring a restful stay for every guest. Each room is thoughtfully designed and equipped with modern amenities to provide a relaxing atmosphere. At the King Edward Hotel, we pride ourselves on delivering exceptional service to our guests. Our dedicated staff is committed to ensuring your stay is enjoyable and memorable, catering to your every need. Stewart, British Columbia is home to a thriving mining industry, presenting numerous economic and employment opportunities. As an investor or business operator, you can leverage from the benefits of this flourishing sector, contributing to long-term growth and stability. Beyond the mining industry, Stewart is a haven for nature enthusiasts. Surrounded by breathtaking landscapes, including glaciers, mountains, and pristine rivers, this area offers endless outdoor activities, such as hiking, fishing, and wildlife viewing. With its natural beauty and proximity to major tourist attractions, Stewart has immense tourism potential. The King Edward Hotel can capitalize on this by catering to the growing number of visitors, providing a welcoming and comfortable stay for travelers from all around the world. Stewart fosters a business-friendly environment, attracting entrepreneurs and investors alike. Our hotel serves as an ideal hub for networking and establishing connections within the mining and tourism industries, offering comfortable meeting spaces and amenities. The infrastructure in Stewart is well developed, with easy accessibility to major transportation routes. This ensures a smooth logistics network for businesses, facilitating the movement of goods and services, making it an ideal location to establish a full-service operation. Stewart's close-knit community offers unwavering support to local businesses. As the King Edward Hotel becomes part of this wonderful community, you can expect a warm and welcoming atmosphere, as well as opportunities for collaboration and growth. Investing in the King Edward Hotel in Stewart is not just a property acquisition, but a strategic investment with tremendous potential. With the mining industry flourishing and tourism on the rise, this is the opportune time to capitalize on the growth and secure a profitable venture. Whether you are seeking a tranquil escape or a scenic adventure, the King Edward Hotel in Stewart is the perfect retreat. Immerse yourself in the natural wonders of the area and enjoy the comfort and elegance of our hotel after a day of exploration. Thank you for considering the King Edward Hotel. With its rich history, prime location, and potential for growth, this property offers a unique opportunity to be part of an exciting community and thriving industries. We look forward to welcoming you to our esteemed establishment. For more information or to schedule a viewing, please contact Dean Thomas at +1 604 726 7137 or email us at deanthomas@commercial.ca. We are here to assist you in making an informed decision about this exceptional investment opportunity. Thank you for listening to this presentation on the King Edward Hotel. We hope you will join us in this exciting endeavor and make your mark in Stewart, British Columbia.